In December 2000, a killer committed the most evidence-rich unsolved murder in history. The Miyazawa family was found dead in their Tokyo home. 4 victims. But this wasn't a quick escape. The killer stayed for hours. He ate ice cream from their freezer, used their computer to browse the internet, changed into the father's clothes, even took a nap in their bed. He left behind everything investigators dream of. DNA on drinking glasses, fingerprints on door handles, blood from a cut on his hand, even his rare designer's sweater. Police had his complete genetic profile. They knew he was injured during the attack. They determined he was likely mixed Asian and European descent. With all this evidence, catching him should have been simple. 24 years later, they have tested in over 1.2 million DNA samples. Still no match. The killer's DNA, fingerprints, and clothing fibers sit in evidence rooms. A perfect forensic profile of a ghost. Sometimes having all the evidence in the world still isn't enough.